Alright, my people, so right now we start to put on our morning, yeah? Alright, so what we do, instead of this, I'll use like first and so, you know, you have to water through it, right through everything. Water through it. See, kind of where some fill by 24. So that's how I want the channel. This is the next one. Fall the water back to this up. So, as you can see, the whole of the place waterproof. You will scroll it on the corner there. There's a waterproof. It's a clotting. I was going to say it on pass. It on the pass. So all the corner you see. Right through. The corner you see. People, so start this. As you can see, it's our reach. So I run some type on the side of morning. So if you can knock it out, it's kind of bad still. With this and now, pure water in a circular line me glass. Another me glass, pure water. So it's like when it drain, like a outlet, turn up in the ear. Some people tile some place and ear prep. Yeah, if I throw it in a leak, as I said, then tile it, never solve the problem. The middle, so it's like a base. So all I water cycle in the middle, so we rise it off of that. So I'm gonna take time to go and still. So we can reach an idea with it. Some hot cut, you know. Take time to go on. Nice tight porcelain 12 by 24. This is the state of the condition, see it here. Right now, a leather we have to carry up the material pan, so you know that. Go. Yeah. Material have to come up on leather. So. Yeah, see there. This is a conditioner we are working on. Then up and down there is some mixing. So yeah. So alright my people, so start the porch. Yeah, so this is how we read so far. Saying yesterday and so running a far evening this morning. Thursday evening. My gosh, you know, so water place and water full of the whole place. So because it's in tile already and as being a enough. You don't have enough farm and the figure now say the water never in the run to it. Even before we put tile this up, no water run to it. So we have to do now with it. We have to cast it over because trust me, if you get the fall upon it, if you run off the water, it kind of end up deep. So we have to do, we have to cast it back over. Yeah, cast it on both sides. You know, cast where we want it still. body now. I will just do what I do. So yeah. So I will say we can finish up this night here. This one not really too bad, but you know, the water can look how high where the soil come with. So what I have to do yesterday is just cast it over back. Get like a fall pan here, so scan. Basically dish this like so, and this tile like so. So this channel will so it's the channel to the water. So what we do with this now? That's the drain. That's the outlet. So we have to catch it from here so now and fall it from here, so go to the drain there so. And then that one piece of tile over the corner, and we have to turn it back to the drain. So this row tile now, you have to say it basically level. Yeah. So the water just flow that way there. And from this side now it just flows up, head to the drain. So we have all of this fire. All of this now go to the drain there so. Well this yes now. Yeah, so run back so and head back to that the drain there. Yeah, so you know we have to set it out, get the water half of you. But trust me, people, the amount of water will come back and see. We have to not even get the video itself because it's really kind of in a juju at the same time. You know, so yeah, we take time to go on, see if we can match up this idea. Right, I know. Watch it done growth up. Yeah, nice and sweet. Rainfall. Yeah, no water now sickle on it. Yeah, water run off. Yeah man, so this is it. As we say, growth up and everything, you know. Yeah. Nice and sweet. So remember to like, share and subscribe. Yeah, leave your comment in the comment section. Yeah, show your appreciation by giving the video a thumbs up. Yeah. So side my people, so yeah, everything nice, baseboard. I like baseboard right round, as you can see. Yeah. So everything baseboard out. So this are the view of it. That's just a nice look. Yeah, so that's the baseboard right now. Yeah, so everything baseboard out. Yeah, as I say, no water can stick up on this again. Yeah, so everything baseboard right round. Yeah, as I can see it. So let's have a push the water right in this up. So you hold this up. So a baseboard cut out that, leave the water space there. So that are the water space. Yeah, so yes my people. So as you can see, porch nice and sweet. As I say, everything baseboard out. Yeah, so it baseboard right round, as you can see. So place nice, trust me. Yeah, so yeah, basically this beautiful site. Yeah man, nice little view and the tile left. Trust me. Some nice tile. Yeah, so as you can see. So as you can see, we'll cut them around the window there, so yeah, we'll cut around the window. Yeah, to get a nice little finish. Yeah, everything nice. Yeah, as you can see, yeah man, this sweet. Yes my people, so you know it go. Basically hit this. Yeah, nice work. Yeah, beautiful job. Yeah, so as we say, yeah, thumbs up. Yeah man, enough respect my supporters them. Yeah, pick up on yourself all the while. Yeah man, enough respect.